Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. So there's this case that has been weighing heavily on me, and honestly, I wasn't even sure where would I start speaking about it. I saw it online and it stayed with me. I regret seeing the video. It really shook me. And because at the center of this case is a child, that even made it worse. So today, this 50-year-old pastor and former ANC member, Tebo Nzimane, appeared in the Roodepoort Magistrate Court. He has now abandoned his bail application, which means he will remain in custody for now. The case has been postponed to the 20th of May for further investigation. He is accused of raping a 12-year-old girl over the Easter weekend. It is alleged that she had gone to his home to use electricity or Wi Fi. And that's what even makes it even more difficult to process. This is someone who was trusted, someone in a position of influence in the community. And outside court, people showed up, the community members and anti GBV groups made it clear they want accountability. They want justice. I think that's all what we want. And honestly, I understand why. Because we cannot normalize a world where children are not safe. We cannot look away when adults are accused of violating that safety. And at the stage, um, yeah, the court will determine the outcome. We've seen the video. I've seen the video. Not everyone has seen the video. I don't advise you to go and see. It traumatized me. But the conversation we need to have as a society is it's already there. Yeah, we need to have this conversation, and I'm going to continue covering this case. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. My heart is broken for this little girl. I'm traumatized, and I can imagine as a victim um, how she feels. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.